For an amazing pita bread, let's get started. 1.5 cups of warm water. I added 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. I'm gonna mix it and let it bloom a little bit. 4 cups of all-purpose flour or bread flour, it doesn't matter. I add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. You're gonna add this instant dry milk, 1 tablespoon, 2 and 3. You're gonna mix a little bit. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can absolutely use vegetable oil. The yeast has bloomed nicely. I'm gonna add half and start mixing the dough. You're gonna let it mix until it's very smooth. Look how smooth the dough is. It sticks to the hand just a little bit. I'm gonna cover it and let it rest for an hour. It's risen nicely. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'm gonna dump it on a floured surface. The dough is super soft. I'm gonna divide it into 8 pieces. Make a really round ball. Cover them and let them rest a little bit. I flour the rolling pin and I flour the board. I'm gonna try not to push on these edges too much, more chances it will puff up. I'm gonna cover them and let them rest one last time. Meanwhile, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, the highest setting. This is it. This is the bread. I'm still baking, but look at this bread. So soft. And look how soft it is. Look at the inside.